Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Plants vs Zombies mobile game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a profile. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the game within your device and you will be taken into the main menu. Now if you have multiple profiles, then one of these profiles will be selected, which you can find at the top left corner. Just tap on this option and then tap on Change Profile. Now within this page, all of your profiles that you have created will be listed. If you wish to delete any profile, just tap on the profile that you wish to delete and then tap on the delete option at the bottom section. You will then be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete your profile. Tap on the yes button in order to confirm your choice. And now this profile has been deleted right away. If you have only one profile, then you cannot delete your current profile. And there you have it. That is how you can delete your profile on the Plants vs Zombies game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.